our spelling test. We do not talk during this test. Even if you think my sentences are funny or you want to comment on them, we are not talking, so we're not doing that. Understand? Okay. Number 1. Repeat the word red.
Red.
I will color with the color red. I will color the apple the color red. Red. Number 2. Fad. Fad. Bell-bottom jeans were the fad when I was younger. Fad. Number 3. Cut. Cut. I do not want to cut my finger when I am chopping up vegetables. Cut. Number 4. Twig. Twig. I have to go pick up the twig that fell on the ground after the storm. Twig. Number 5. Strap. Strap. I have to put the strap for the seatbelt over my shoulder. Strap. Number 6. Drift. Drift. I saw the log drift down the river. Drift. Number 7. Stop. Stop. The sign down the road tells the car to stop. Number 8. Man. Man. Mr. Corby is a man. Number 9. Me. Me. I hope they will come to me if they have questions. Me. Number 10. Rot. Rot. I can see the apple will rot if I leave it out. Rot. Number 11. Tax. Tax. When you buy a toy, they will add tax at the end to make you pay more. Tax. Number 12. Pest. Pest. If I see a spider crawling on the floor, I think it is a pest. Number 13. Just. Just. I would like just one cookie on my plate. Just. Number 14. Snap. Snap. I heard my mom snap her fingers at my brother. Snap. Number 15. Trip. Trip. I don't want to trip and fall over the broken concrete. Trip. Number 16. Flat. Flat. I could not get the crinkled paper to be flat again. Flat. Number 17. Sled. Sled. In the winter, when it snows, I like to sled down the hill. Sled. Number 18. Spot. Spot. I saw a spot that my sister put on my pants. Spot. Number 19. Let. Boys and girls, find number 1 on your page and write the word pit. Pit. We will throw wood in the fire pit. Pit. Number 2, sag. Sag. My shirt will sag a little if I pull on it. Sag. Number 3, hog. Hog. A hog is another name for a pig. Hog. Number 4, fan. Look at my face. Fan. I will put a fan on if I get hot. Fan. Number 5, bus. Bus. We will take the bus to the lunchroom if it is snowing. Bus. Number 6, nut. Nut. I saw the squirrel eating a nut that fell from the tree. Nut. Number 7, wet. Wet. When I jump in the pool, my clothes will get all wet. Wet. All right, boys and girls, you are going to code number 8 through 14, okay? Then you're going to read the sentences above 22.
Not working. We're listening.
And then you're going to fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. Okay? Fill in the blanks with the sentence and then answer the 2 questions on the bottom. The last part that you will do will be when you are done with this whole page, I will have you come over to me and read the words that you coded, and I will check mark if you got them right on the side for number 15 through 21 if you read them correctly. Okay? You got to read them how you code them. Alright? So you can read them correctly. Everybody understand? Do I have any questions? Yes. These are when you read to me. I will check mark if you read them right. Okay. Yes?
Do we just come up
We're not working.
No,
We're going
you,
over directions.
I'll call you. Well, okay. When you're
Okay,
done
sit
with
down.
all the coding and you're done with the bottom, put your folders down on top of your test. That's how I'll know you're done. Okay? And then when I see that you're done, I will call you to the back table to read them to me.